Hi, Christine Toney here with Lilla Rose. I'm an independent stylist with Lilla Rose, and tonight I want to talk to you about the Swerves. This is a Lilla Rose product that's exclusively with Lilla Rose. I have never seen anything like them anywhere else. And they are a hot commodity and sell out regularly. And we've got some new styles I want to show you too. But basically, the Swerve, I've got the 4 different metals here. We have copper, black nickel, gold, and silver. And it's kind of curved. It's curved kind of an hourglass shape, and then it's also curved to go along with the shape of your head. So it's a unique tool. It's as functional and comfortable as they are pretty with the styles. And they have also come out recently with some beaded. This is kind of a pearl and crystal beading. I know with the lighting it's kind of hard to see and appreciate how pretty that is. And then we've got some jewel tones in the blues, greens, and purples on the black nickel. And the pearls are on a silver. And then with the rose gold, we've got what we call our freestyle with a variety of different colors. There's blue, amber, kind of pink, copper, just unique colors that go with just about everything. So I wear this one a lot. And the pearls go with everything too. But tonight I want to show you some different styles. A lot of people think there's only 1 or 2 ways to wear a swerve. And as with all Lilla Rose products, they are extremely versatile. So I want to take some time tonight to show you. And I'm going to use, for now, I'm going to use the basic one, and then I'll show you some of the beaded styles as well. So the first one I want to show you is just the basic bun. If you can't wear a lot of bling in your hair or your jewelry's very busy, these are a great option. They hide pretty well, but they hold super well and get your hair where you want it. Okay, so I'm just going to do, you can do a tight, neat bun just as easily, but I'm going to show you with these, you can even do a loose, kind of messier bun. Okay, so I'm just going to start, and I'm just going to wrap my hair kind of just loosely around. Okay, it's not real tight. I didn't do a lot of twisting. I just more or less wrapped it. I'm going to catch the edge of that bun with the curve. It's going to start with the curve up. Then I'm going to go outside the twist and catch hair, go over that hair, catch it, keep contact with my scalp, and turn it over so that that curve ends up going along with the shape of your head. And I've caught hair from the other side. Okay, so you can leave it like that, or you can go ahead and continue to pull that hair and loosen it up. And that will give you all day hold. I brought a mirror down to make sure I'm centered so you can kind of appreciate how subtle that is. Now if you want to push it even further, you can go with more subtlety. And that other part just hides under your hair. Okay, so extremely comfortable all day hold. Okay, that's just the simple bun. And again, if you want to do a tight wrap bun just as easily. For a French twist, I'm going to show you a cheat French twist. You can do a traditional French twist, but what I call a cheat French twist just gives it a little bit of a slightly different look, but it still looks like a French twist. I'll show you that. I'm just going to take the hair, wrap it over my thumb, and then twist up, pulling that hair. This hair pulls up into the twist as I twist that hair, and then tuck up any leftover, so that hair you have that is smooth here. Then again, I want the curve to end up facing, curving with my head. So I'm going to start with the curve up. I'm going to catch a little bit of that hair, go over, catch it outside, and slide it in. Okay, again, for a very subtle look. You can pull that out if you like. If you want a little more showing, you can. And with the beaded ones, you will want a little more of that showing, so you won't push it in as far. So there's that. And then also, just for a little bit of a different look, with that comes in from the side. If you want to take it before, let's see if I can still use that same twist. If I want to come in at it kind of with an angle and go up and come down, you get a slightly different look with the French twist, but it's just a different look with your twist. So again, 2 options even with just the French twist. Okay, now my favorite go-to is, I call it's a half bun, half pony. I'm trying to come up with a name for it just so it's more easy to go over in some of my videos and whatnot. So I'm thinking about bun swag. I don't know. Feel free to, if you have an idea for a name for this style, please help me out. I'd appreciate it. I'm going to demonstrate it in the rose gold freestyle with those beads, which is one of my go-to swerves. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start like you're going to do a bun, and then you're going to twist it and let that hair fall down. You're not going to continue to twist the bun. You're only going to twist it so it's just the start of a bun. Then you're going to lock into that bun part and let the other part hang down. So I will show you here. Okay, so I'm going to start like I'm going to do a bun with some twisting. Okay, so you can see the start of that bun here, okay? And that's where I'm going to stop. I'm going to let this hang down. Then I'm going to grab part of that twist, just like as if it was a bun. I'm going to go out, grab some hair, and slide that back in. And then this part just hangs down. Okay, I'm going to make sure get the angle there. Okay, and I do this one a lot. Did I miss some? Yeah, I missed a little bit of hair there. I do this one a lot with curly hair as well. So it's just you can put this up wet, and I've got pictures. If you look down on this page, you can find pictures with it curly, where this kind of curls up and the curl. So you can do it straight or curly, which is another advantage I like of this style. So I'm still looking for a name for that, but we'll call it half bun, half pony, or bun swag. Feel free to add a name if you think you can come up with a better one. I'd appreciate it. All right, and so one of the last ones I want to do is the top knot. And this can be done with basically all the Lilla Rose products, but it's super simple with the Swerve. So it's the same idea. You're going to start like you're doing what I call the cheat French twist. And then you're going to just keep that loop at the top and then secure it that way. So I will show you, demonstrate. Now a lot of people like to do this way high up on their head. I don't go too high, but a lot of people like it on top of their head. So I'm going to start with a ponytail. Again, I'm going to hook it over my thumb like I did for the French twist, and then I'm going to curl it up or twist it up a couple times, and I have that loop of hair on that thumb. Okay, so I hold on to this, take my thumb out, and it's going to look silly for a minute. Then I'm going to take, again, it faces up to start, it curves up. Then I'm going to grab hair from the outside, make contact, and twist it over. And then I take this part, and then I just kind of pull it out, twist it, mess it up. I want it messy. Sometimes I will pull some ends out. I don't want to cover up the decorative part. So sometimes if I pull some out, and it just depends whether I pull it out or not, but I'll put that under, maybe this over. But the idea is that it's messy. So let me see. And sometimes I want it neater than other times. Okay, that's about, it's hard to see with the glare, but an easy top knot. Again, let's see, where is that hair coming from? That's, okay, I'm pulling down. So really, okay, I probably shouldn't have pulled that one out. And then if I pull too much out, you see where it's coming from here. I can go under and have it come down the other side. So if I don't want to redo it, but it takes no time to redo it. So let me show you again, and this time I'll do it with a regular one in case you can see a little differently. Okay, so again, I'm going to twist it up here, get it kind of secure, and I do leave this out. You can tuck it in if you like. A lot of times when I do this style, it's curly, so it really doesn't matter, and I like the curl hanging out here would be curly as well. So again, I'm going to secure that little bit of a twist there, because it kind of almost like a mini French twist there, the way it is. Flip it over and secure that, and then you can pull that out. And sometimes you can just fan it out into a loop, and then sometimes I can pull some out on the edges. Sometimes it just depends on how my hair is, how it's styled, how high you want it up on your head. Like I said, I don't like it sitting right on top of my head. I like it just at the top of my crown, really. So, but you can twist that around and mess it up as much as you want. I try and, if I don't want it the neat look, just kind of mess it up. So you can do those top knots with the swerves, the sticks, U-pins, flexies. They are really amazing to work with. So I hope that this helped you. Check out the swerves if you haven't, and hopefully this gave you some ideas on how to use them. So have a great evening. Have a great Valentine's Day, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.